Let's learn about conjunctions. I can join anything in the world, says Super Balu. Can you join this? Asks Gul. There you go. Can you join this? There you go. Let me see you join these words. Oh, look! He has joined the words. How did you do that? I used my conjunction power, says Super Balu. But what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They join words and sentences. So instead of saying, Crow has an apple, Crow has an orange, you can use the conjunction and to join the two sentences into one. And the sentence will now read, Crow has an apple and an orange. Here, and is a joining word. How about another example? Jojo can go to the circus. Jojo can go to the astrologer. You can use the conjunction or to join the two sentences. Jojo can go to the circus or to the astrologer. Let's take another example. Thud is big. Kitty is small. You can join the sentences using the conjunction but. Thud is big, but Kitty is small. So there you go. As glue is to paper, conjunctions are to words. They make English easier by simply joining words.